Hey guys, my batteries were kind of all over the place, and I looked to try to find a way to get better organized with them. I looked for some free options, so I start searching the 3D print sites, and I found this 8 up or 8 battery 3D print storage container for, now this is for the Fujifilm W or NP 126 batteries, or otherwise known as the NPW 120S or 126S, sorry, batteries. And this thing works great. If you don't have a 3D printer, do what I do. Maybe your son or daughter has a 3D printer and I use it. I'll show you guys which one we have or he has, and I will sneak in a print from now and then. It is a Bamboo Labs PS1. Really easy to use, works great. So if you're looking to get yourself or your child a 3D printer, this one's a pretty good option still. But I'm going to show you guys what I do now. I know it's kind of simple, but I figured I'd share this, and I'll give you the link. This isn't mine, but I'll give you the link. It's from Things Universe if you want to try to print it. What I do is on my Fujifilm batteries, I will, on all of them, put a little dot. Now this dot is right where this orange release is. So it doesn't take me much to know which way I have the battery incorrectly. So what I do is I will have my batteries, I'll point it the one way. When they're full, they go in this way. And I have like, I think 7 or 8 batteries plus the 2 in my 2 cameras. So this works out perfect. You can print more, and there is a way you can expand, multiply. My son knows how to do that. I want to get into creating my own designs, but right now I've been just, looking for some things that are already out there. So like that's how I'd keep it. And I'll say, okay, that is my full batteries. And what I do, so that I know which one's empty or needs to be charged, I take this, I'll flip it up this way, and that tells me, you can see this is the contacts for the camera. That tells me that this one, it's organized, but it still needs to be charged. I know it's simple, but these work so good, and I don't have them scattered all over or a divider in my drawer. And this has made a big impact on just getting organized, getting neat. There are a ton of different battery holder types, and from pretty much any of the major brands. It's a really cool option, but this is how I do it. Keeping it organized, but also knowing which one's charged and which ones need to be charged. And what I also do is I rotate them out, meaning that I will take this one next, this one next, and I know it's a little extra step, but then I'll, move them up. And then when I charge these batteries, I'll put these back here so that I'm cycling the batteries always. It makes sure that nothing's sitting stale. They're all getting used and they're all getting cycled out. So that's how I do it, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.